Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll discuss formatting features which are available in Excel. So for this, we will go in Excel workbook. Here we are having the marks of John, Michelle, Thomas, Henry, and the total marks. So we want to change the orientation of this text. Select the text, angle counterclockwise, clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down. The customized setting can also be done. You can go in format cell alignment and change the uh, desired angle of the text. Click OK. Now, if you want to clear any formatting, just click here, clear the formats, and you will be again on the default settings. The font color can be selected from here. The background can be selected from here. Now you want to give the border to this. So all borders selected, and you can see now the borders have appeared. More borders are also available. Just click here, more borders, and you can select the color of the border, and the style also can be done. Now you go in field. In field, already the yellow color is active. Let's activate the pattern. So click OK, and you can see the pattern has appeared. Now you want to copy the same pattern to the another row. Now two options are available. You select this, activate format painter, which we have already discussed in my previous video. Just click on it, done. This is first method. The second method, I'll press Ctrl Z, uh, right click, copy, select it, right click, and go in paste special. Now here there is one option, only formatting. We don't want to copy the content. We only want to copy the formatting. Done. So this is another method of copying the formatting. Now, can I add background to this worksheet? Let's try. So we'll go in page layout, background. Bing image search is active, activated, and just write down nature. Enter. Select any one image. So if you want to insert your company's logo, that can also be done. So press insert, done. If you want to delete this background, delete it, it's gone. If you want to add something from a file, it can be done from here, from a file. The next feature which we want to discuss is merge and center. Let's say that we want to write here that these are students' marks. Okay. And the text is running into two columns. And we want this to be in the center. So what we'll do, we'll just select it and go in home, press merge and center, done. We want to add some more information here. Let's say that uh, students, these are the students of public school. Now this text is very long and it is running into three columns. So there is one feature which is available of Excel, quite interesting feature. Just click on this text and it's known as wrapping. So from where you want to do the wrapping, just drag this, uh, just drag this. So it will start wrapping from students off. So click on it and you can see it has done the remaining work. So a long text can be wrapped up into one column. This is the feature of wrapping text. So let me delete this. Now ready-made cell styles are also available. You can select this, go in cell styles, and you can have ready-made styles. So you can select any one of them. You can clear all the formatting. Just go here, clear formats, done. So Again, I'll have to activate merge and center. Okay. Now let's talk about the other formatting options, which are number formatting. So activate this. See, these are marks of students. Assume that we wanted this to be the currency. So I'll go here and I'll activate. So immediately this will change to accounting. So it is now not the marks, it's a currency. What more options are available? If I activate from here percentages, it will become percentage, comma, accounting. The decimal can be increased or decreased from here. So this is number formatting and all these options are available here. So number, currency, accounting, short date, long date. So what this number specify, we can change from here. So this was all about formatting feature which is available in MS Excel. For more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.